Grubs. Hello. It's been so long. I know. The last baking stream was the Caramel Delights, the Samoa cookies. Welcome on in. Hello. Guess what we have now? We have Frankie. We have Frankie hands. We have baking Frankie. What are you cooking today? Crack? Basically, because look what we're making today, Grubs. We're going to be making these beautiful rainbow cupcakes. These are so cute. So the rainbow on top of the cupcake is a big airhead, and I ordered some, and I ordered way too many by accident. It's probably not gonna show up on the green screen, but oh yes, it's invisible. We have 1, 2, 11, 12 transparent airheads. Ma, do you want to try one of these airhead groups? I'll cover your crotch.
Thank you.
It's gone.
My crotch.
They're saying they keep talking about your shorts.
Yeah, I'm wearing Banjo-Kazooie shorts.
Grubs, I hope if you are gay, you're having a great Pride, a great first month of Pride. Even if you don't go to a Pride parade or anything or a big event, I hope you do something nice for yourself. I think you should do something nice for yourself. Hey, Mixing.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. You're like the granddaughter I never had.
Does Dream Grove Gardens have its own jail for those grubs who misbehave? Is there one specifically for Randy Zazzle?
If I could put Randy in a jail, I would have done it already, but I don't know where he is.
Grove Gardens doesn't need a jail. Just Tobby's quick webs to keep those grubs in line.
Now pull a guest on and eat those yolks raw. All right, we're putting green in. You can't even see the green because of the green screen, but it's kind of like a magic trick. Wait, ready? I'm gonna make the batter disappear. You ready? There it goes. It's vanishing! It's vanishing! Where's it going? It's gone! I like the orange. Ooh, it looks like cheese. Beautiful red. What is this, red 40? No, red 30? What can we not have anymore? Red 30? Covering my face just in case. There you go. All right, so we have yellow. We have orange. We have red. We have green. Look how nice that green is. We have blue. We have purple, but I can't get to it. I'm covering my nipples. And purple. Donkler57's first time chat is putting Donkler57. Just so we make sure we know that they are Donkler57. Fartmaster18. Donkler57. Everybody just say your username in chat. Say it loud, say it proud for Pride.
Are you Donkler57? Guys, please give a very grubby welcome to Macklemore!
I found these at Trader Joe's, and they've been in my kitchen for like a week, but I wanted to wait until I could open them on stream. So get ready for a special treat that applies very much to our community. We have root beer float pieces. Vanilla sandwich cookie pieces with popping candy covered in a root beer flavored confectionery coating. Now, y'all know I love root beer and I love root beer floats, so I was very excited. I'm excited. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take a bite.
Yum, 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 yummy, yum, root beer, yum, yum.
Oh.
Root beer, no, roober, no.
It's not bad. I like it.
Pirates in a sticky situation with all that root beer around. Looks like a
Hyperflash,
wild
welcome.
adventure on the high seas, filled with confusion and maybe a bit too much grog.
I'm trying to put my mouth so you can hear the popping candy. Hold on. Okay. Let's see if you can hear the popping candy. Did you hear it at all? A bit. Editable TV static. I like these. These are good. Look how cute! There's like little pieces popping up of the color, but the red is so vibrant.
My favorite kind of piss-a-pie.
Grandpa's having a bad day. Bad grandpa. Aww!
Wow, look at that!
That's so cute. Here's our cupcake. I'm going to scream if it is not cute on the inside. All right, I'm peeling. What? Oh my gosh!
It's perfect.
So cute! Oh my god! It's so cute! Ah! It's so cute! Oh my god, that's beautiful!
That turned out perfect.
Cut in the middle. Wow.
Wow.
Look at that.
It's just like the picture!
Wait, hold the cupcake up, the other side, so everyone sees how beautiful it is. You get your, like, big fingers out of it. He's smiling! You have so much blue on you. Looks like you just...
Dude, I just ate out a Smart.
Stop!